All right. Well, I fixed that bell. It's just wire was barely on there, and threw them some hay. It's just a 3/4 bell, probably about, and they'll be happy with that. There's plenty of grass for them to eat here today in this paddock still. They'll go and munch some of the little tops off, and then this afternoon they'll get a bigger paddock, or the rest of this paddock. This will be 2 days on this end, and then they'll get 2 days on the other end, half a day. Um, they're doing good. I like to look at them. All right, number 23 and 21 just look great. That's the one on the far right and the one third from the right. They just look great. Number 9, man, she got some big old bones on her, but she doesn't fill out like that. And number 28, same. Now that number, that panda bear there, she has a great body on her, but it's just that freaking that hair on her. And then the little guy over there, I think he's 27. Yeah, 27 there. Just younger, but looks kind of bony as well. That 21 and 23 just look amazing. They convert some grass over to meat really, really well. Very happy with them. And I just broke another timeless fence post. But that was from me. I trimmed it so that I could put the wire in there because the other one snapped off. One problem with timeless fences, it snaps off. Guess what happens? You can't put it through there because what's on those guys is a hole right there. I guess I could have tied it with a wire. So, but I figured I saw people that they've cut it. So what I did was, you see, I cut a hole, I cut a notch in it just so I could get down. But I literally snapped it right off just by stepping on the freaking white fence that's going around the poly wire, just to step over it so I wouldn't get shocked. I stepped on it, and I stepped on it, and it just snapped the top right off of that darn thing. I'll show you where I did it. I sheared that damn thing right off. Timeless fence is great, guys. It really is. It's supposed to last forever, and it has a lifetime warranty. I'm assuming it does. This one doesn't because I freaking stepped on it. See that? That's what it did right there. That ticks me off, man. Jeez. So, like I said, you can see where I cut a notch. See right there? I cut that notch there. I've seen people do that, but I guess you aren't supposed to because obviously it's going to weaken it. But I didn't know that. Literally, I did this like 2 days ago. So, snap that off. Son of a gun. Oh well, we're going to leave the calves here. We'll go check out the baby goats, or baby sheep, I mean, and llama. They were all up there hanging out together, being happy, and they were happy to get their pellets today. But the problem is that the pellets were that the water was running over. It's just a darn. It's one of those cheapy uh, local tractor supply or local farm supply store float. Their darn junk float. And so that thing. Well, speaking of float, I need to go check the calves and water. But that float was just make them nervous walking behind them. It's okay, ladies. Just coming around behind y'all. Good looking gals. But that float, it was the grommet or whatever you call that, the O-ring inside, had gone up inside of the water hose. So that was leaking. And the little spray coming out of there. See how the water's doing over here. Make sure we're not leaking still here. Looks like we are. Look how wet this ground is. It's not running out the top. Son of a gun. Always, always, always something. Nothing running out there. Let's see here. Anything running out over here? It's a lot of dew. I wonder if it's just dew, because this thing was running out like crazy. I don't see anything running out. Nothing. Sorry, don't really feel anything running out. Don't see anything. Nothing's. I mean, it's moist, but that's all damp. Now, if you can see the. I don't know if you can see the ground. If it goes around, there's a wet mark all the way around going that way. But that could have been just from the other day, because the other day this was leaking pretty darn bad. So maybe that's still left over. It's actually water in the ground because this is clay. Maybe it hasn't gone away yet. I figured it'd evaporate by now. All right. Well, that's it for the calves. We'll walk by one more time, and then I'll head up to the sheep and see how they're doing. I gave them some alfalfa pellets this morning. They should be moving. I'm going out to Behind the Oaks Farm today to do some chicken processing and work on some water line for them. And then we'll be back here tomorrow to do some more work, get some more paddocks ready, some more cells. All right, guys, we'll see y'all later. Look at that red tint on her. She's so pretty. She's gonna make a good mama. Jeez, she's young still too. Can't wait for that. All right, we're going to go to the sheep. All right, well, we're here with the sheeps. There they are, chowing down. Boy, they knocked that out. I put a good bit in there. A lot more than that. Let's see what this other one looks like. They're so small, little gals. They're gonna be pretty. This was what it was running, just squirting up right up out of here. Is the O-ring, so you can see the ground's wet here along the edge. I don't know how long it's doing that. It's not soaking wet, but it's still freaking wet. There's a little more in there. You see how they pushed this bucket under the fence, which is fine, because guess what? They're learning. This is Mr. Owie. Put that there so they can't push that bucket too far. And of course, Tina. Hello, Tina. How you doing, hon? What do you think, girl? Well, look at her. You're a funny gal. She got her mouth. Why do you have your lip down? I don't understand. I don't know anything about llamas, I mean, except for they're a ruminant and they can bond with sheep. That's why we got her. She's just she is observant though, man. She's always watching. But she's comfy there. I might throw them out a little more hay. I already threw some out yesterday, but they'll be fine today. Give them a little more hay so she can have some. There's these, they killed these things. Let me pull this up for them. Now, girls want this? Yum, 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 yum. And there's some more. That's what I'm talking about. Get some free food for y'all. What do y'all say, guys? Okay, Tina, you're not hungry? She hasn't moved. This is where she was when I came out. The lambs were over here kind of around her. And I came up. Of course, the lambs come running over. Boy, look at that. I don't like that. They ate all the leaves off that silverleaf nightshade. There's not a single leaf left. They ate it all. There's not a leaf left on any of these guys out here. You saw the little pellets out there? They've been everywhere. And they've only been here. This is day 5. They're doing good. Let me pull another. They're just hungry. Okay, well, they're eating it up. Well, I'll let y'all go for now. Give them a couple more, little more of these pellets. I'll bring some more out tomorrow, and everything will be good to go. All right, Tina, say bye. Somebody hit that wire. Chicken there. All right, say bye, babies. Hey guys, please like, subscribe, and share. It's nice if y'all do.